Hello guys and welcome. Today I'll be growing beet microgreens which have vivid color and also delicious taste. The best medium to grow beet microgreens is soil, but coconut coir will also work well. Though I can't recommend paper towel as beet microgreens won't grow very well on it. You can pre-soak the seeds, but it's not necessary as beet seeds germinate very well. Moisten the growing medium and spread the seeds evenly throughout the container. Gently push them into the soil and spray with water again. Cover the seeds with another container and put some weight on it. This is a must as beet seeds need to penetrate into the soil in order to grow straight seedlings, and it will also help you achieve even growth of the microgreens. Three days later and some beet seeds have already germinated. Make sure the soil is moist every day and keep the weight on them. Six days after planting, beet microgreens are strong enough to push the weight upwards. Remove the weight and let them see the daylight. It's been 2 weeks since planting. Beet microgreens are over 3 inches tall and ready to harvest. Green colored leaves and strongly red stems are a good sign for their harvest time. Beet microgreens have a sweet, earthy flavor, pretty similar to grown beet leaves. They are a great addition to salads, sandwiches, and much more. They are rich in calcium, iron, fiber, and various vitamins. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck growing your own microgreens. Thanks for watching. See ya!